it's a unique option to use this amazing platform of the old city of Jerusalem and to try and to take out the real sounds that are coming from the four different quarters of the city.
Jerusalem is the melting pot for all people, and you find every nation, every religion here.
This is an amazing evening to get to know everything, to feel safe and comfortable with everyone, and to feel that there is no boundaries between people.
כולם שווים פתאום, כולם שומעים את אותו ניגון, את אותה מוזיקה. העיר הזאת, הכל כאן ביחד. יש כאן אחדות מסוימת.
I see it as a prophecy coming true, in a sense of, it says, and my house shall be a house of prayer for all nations. When we are able to communicate and create something and sharing our traditions with one another, this is what peace is really all about.